Okay, let's go.
Namaste, my name is Yalmatama. I'm from Rasua. I am 13 years old. My school name is Siharapur Community School. I read in grade 7. My mother name is Pemalamu Nekor and my father's name is Yothokra. My favorite color is pink and sky blue. My favorite food is momo. And I like to dance, swim, read, and etc.
What is etc.? Yeah, it's a little hard. Yes, you're courageous.
Like animals?
Yes.
Animals? No? You like cooking?
I like to eat cakes, cookies,
Chocolate?
yeah, chocolate. My favorite bird is peacock.
Oh,
Peacock.
yes.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Thank you so much. Bravo. Somebody else? Yes? Okay.